Hey guys, this is Dinosaur and today we're going to be drawing the Stygimoloch. It's day 23 of Inktober, but before we're going to get into the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe and share this video. Alright, so Inktober day 23, the Stygimoloch. Yeah, well, I was really confident going into this drawing, but unfortunately, my sketches were better than the actual drawing. But let's talk a little bit about tutorials, because it's been a very long time since I've actually done a proper tutorial on this channel, and I believe that there are lots of people that subscribe to me because of my tutorials. So I'm thinking about doing a tutorial for the next video, but I do want to have you guys' opinion, of course. So let me know in the comments below right now if you want to have a tutorial. Also stick around, because later in this video I'll be comparing this version, the 2022 version of the Stygimoloch to the 2021 version of the Stygimoloch that I drew exactly 1 year ago. So I don't really know if the quality of this video is going to be really good. I'm just testing something out. I'm just playing around with the color values and the light and dark, everything, the levels of everything, because I wanna, I want you guys to be able to see everything very well, especially the pencil lines. So I don't know if the pencil lines were very good, but we'll just have to see when I upload this video, because my review screen on Sony Vegas is very tiny and very low quality, because my laptop isn't very good for recording, for editing, I'm sorry. So like I said, I was very confident going into this drawing, but the sketch looks way more dynamic, and I kind of messed up on his leg. His hind leg, that's on the ground, is a little weird, the shape and everything. It's not supposed to look like that. I was just a little bit too confident, I guess, and I sort of messed up. But I guess it's still a decent drawing, I really like this pose, and if I managed to actually draw it right, it would have been a very good drawing. But we're gonna have to compare it to the 2021 version anyways. But if I compare it with the colors, then I definitely think that this drawing is better than the 2021 version. Plus at the time that it took me to draw this was a lot less. But we'll see. Stick around for the epic montage though. Okay, I just quickly wanted to announce that I have released some new Inktober merch, so if you're interested, just check it out. Link will be in the description of this video. Alright, so it's time for the final comparison of the two drawings. So this is the drawing that I did exactly 1 year ago, Inktober 2021, the Stygimoloch. As you can see, I believe it's a very good drawing. But yeah, let's start off with the positive things. I really like the shape of the head and the shadowing on the head. It's just really accurate in my opinion, and I think the shading is really well done. I also like the hand and the details in this drawing, but there are some negative things about this drawing as well. The details in this drawing, they do look very abundant, but it's just too messy. You don't really see what's going on. The cross-hatching is just not very good in my opinion, and I just really do not like the shape of the feet, and how one of the feet is lifted up in the air. It's not really, it doesn't really look that good. But yeah, let's compare this drawing to the 2022 version. So here we are, 1 year later, the Stygimoloch from 2022. In my opinion, it is a better drawing because it looks less messy. The pose is a little bit more dynamic. I mean, it could have been even more dynamic in my opinion, because you've seen the sketches, like I've showed you guys the sketches in this video. It should have been like that. It's just, you know, YouTube, you're trying to make a YouTube video, you're recording yourself, and it's a lot of pressure to do everything right. But let's start off with the positive things about this drawing. I really like the way his head looks. I really like the little details in his head, and it's very accurate. I also, just like I keep saying, I really like this pose. The pose is very dynamic. Could have been more dynamic, but yeah, it's pretty dynamic. And I really like the way his foot looks. It's a lot better than last year's. But there are some negative things about this drawing as well. So one of the negative things about this drawing is that the shading hasn't really been, like, it's not really like as if there's one light source shining on it. Like, there's shading everywhere, there's shadows everywhere, on every side, you know, there's just too much shadow. Also, I don't really like the lag. I think this drawing is a clear improvement from last year's, but I'll let you guys be the judge. So there we go. Of course we're going to show off the colored version one more time. I'm not sure if the image you guys are seeing right now is very good quality. I'm just experimenting with new things because I want to get the quality of the videos higher up, you know. I also wanted to announce again that at 15,000 subscribers, I will do a phase review. So make sure that everyone you know that loves dinosaurs and loves art, make sure to share this video and make them subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can do a phase review at 15,000 subscribers. Unfortunately, we are nearing the end of the video. So if you are interested in more Inktober videos from 2021 or 2022, click here. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment below what you think about the video and the drawing in general, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.